With the rise of generative AI, businesses can now automate data analysis and decision-making with greater efficiency and higher accuracy. And NICE is leading the way and redefining analytics with Topic AI Editor. It does the work for you by replacing manual query building with automated actions, delivering fast and accurate insights that drive business outcomes. The solution uses large language models and over 1,000 pre-built out-of-the-box industry-specific models to analyze interaction trends and correlate them with key metrics in your business. And it all happens under the hood with greater accuracy, more coverage, and less resources. No analytics expertise required. Here's how it works. First, run the application with your data. The large language model will automatically analyze and categorize the interactions according to the out-of-the-box models. There are 3 levels of analysis in a hierarchy of contact reasons: categories, topics, subtopics. The results show you the frequency of how often the topics occur. Next, to meet your company's specific needs, you can edit the categories and approve topics automatically. The appointment topic is new and has 5 new subtopics. You can add, combine, or rearrange the categories or rename any of the data fields according to your company's naming conventions. You can remove the topics that don't apply. Now you're set up. You're ready for ongoing monitoring of contract drivers, trends, and key metrics, leading to better outcomes. It's time to improve accuracy, increase your coverage and agility, while reducing costs and effort.